Okay, so seeing that this angle is not good for demonstration purposes, I will now talk you through how I installed the faux lock. I took the crochet needle and gently put it underneath her braid close to her scalp and lashed it onto the loop of the lock. I then gently pulled the lock under her braid, and then once we do that, I then took the braid and the lock and put it through the loop in the beginning of the lock so that I can tighten the grip around her scalp. Don't worry, I made sure that it wasn't too tight. So after you do that, after you make sure that the loop is tightened around the scalp, then you take the braid and you take the lock. So you gently unravel the lock and then you loop the lock around the braid going down the length of the hair. Now this took me a couple of tries and some of the locks ended up being a little rough, but you do get the hang of it after a while. So after you finish wrapping the lock around the braid, you then adjust the lock so that the braid underneath isn't sticking out. So that's adjusting it, pushing it up and down, making sure nothing is sticking out and nothing is frizzing up. And that's it. And then you just rinse and repeat for each braid.